So as you can see, I'm going to write out an expression. 5 times, let's say 5 times 3 equals 15. Okay, and this is an equation because it has an equal sign. So an equation is anything that has an expression on this side and then is equivalent to something or equals something. So we could do like this, 2 plus 2 equals 1 plus 3. Or we could just do 2 plus 2 equals 4. But we are going to be working on this one today. So I'm going to erase this. And there goes my whiteboard. Ooh, there we go. Okay. So 5 times 3 equals 15. So what if we didn't know this number? How would we find it out? It would be an invisible number. So let's write like this, 5 times, and instead of 3, x is the letter that equals like unknown, so we'll do x. 5 times x equals 15. And we will not use this multiplication sign because that's going to confuse us. It looks too much like an x. Instead, actually, we can just take this dot away. So that means 5 times x, or we could just write it like this, 5x. That also means the same thing, 5 times x. 5 times x equals 15. So we know the answer is 15, and we know we have 5 here, but we don't know what the x equals. So how do we find out that? Well, whatever we have to do on one side to balance the equation, we have to do on the other side. It's like a seesaw. A person who sits on this side needs another person of the same size to sit on the other side. So what we're going to do is do the opposite. So this is 5 times x. What we're going to do is 5 divided by 5, because that will cancel this out. And then we have to do it on this side too. So 15 divided by 5. And these cancel each other out. So 5 over 5 is just 1x. 1x like that. So we can just write this as x. 1x is just x. So x equals 15 over 5. And 15 divided by 5 is what? Let's see. That is 3. So x equals 3. And that is our answer right there. X equals 3. And that's how you solve an equation. So 5 times 3 equals 15.